Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great today. Today's video is all about Swiss Beauty concealers. Recently only I got these concealers from Nykaa. There was a Nykaa haul that I did on my channel which I'll link below and you guys can check it out. इट्स नॉट अ न्यू लॉन्च एट ऑल. इसको 2 से 2.5 साल हो गए लॉन्च हुए हुए, बट आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई देम बिकॉज इट वॉज रिकमेंडेड बाय श्रेया जैन एंड her makeup as well as skincare recommendations are bomb. Since I was not aware of all the different shades available on the website that which shade will suit me, I bought all 6 of them. These are the 6 concealers which I bought. I'll talk about them one by one, show their swatches, their longevity and everything, so stay tuned for the video. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as click on that little notification bell to get regular updates. So talking about the concealers, this is how their outer packaging looks like. It's in this cardboard box. It's really sturdy and given the price point as it's really affordable, I like the packaging. You will open the box, you will have the concealer inside. The inner packaging of the concealer is like this. It's in this tube form where Swiss Beauty as well as liquid concealer is written, and when you will open the cap, it's this doe foot applicator. Given the price point, I mean for 210 rupees you get really good quantity as well as really good packaging of the concealer. One thing that I was not sure but I skipped that out of my mind was these concealers actually retail for 170 rupees. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube as well as Instagram where the actual price was 170, but over Nykaa it was sold around 220 230 and on discount I got it for 206 rupees each. I mean, why the price was hiked on Nykaa, I'm not sure about it, but since it was lockdown and I wanted to shop from Nykaa only, so I bought these concealers regardless of the price. Do let me know what's the actual price of this. You can see that these are the hand swatches which I did, and all the shades are labeled as 01, 02, 03 till 06. Okay, so the first shade that I swatched is 01 until the last shade which is 06. We'll let them sit around for half an hour to see if it oxidizes or not. So after half an hour it did oxidize. I mean, some of the shade did oxidize and some not. 01 oxidized a bit, and apart from that I think the 04 and 05 shades also oxidized because they were more pink undertoned as comparative to 02 and 03 which was yellow undertone. I'll also swatch on my jawline to check which shade will suit me best and which will not, and it will also help you with the reference which shade you should buy so that you do not buy more shade. Guys, one thing I like is that the shade name is mentioned at the back of the tube as well as the cardboard packaging, because if that cardboard gets lost, which I think I will throw them away, you will be able to get the reference that what shade you are using. Talking about what it claims, this concealer from Swiss Beauty lets you cover imperfections without looking covered up. It's easily blendable and buildable, giving you even coverage with a luminous demi-matte finish. Ultra lightweight, this high-tech liquid formula never settles into fine lines. After using that concealer, I did use some powder to set down my face because as I'm a combination skin person, my fine lines will show up if I'll not set it with powder. It melts on for a no makeup look while full coverage in an instant. All the other things like ingredients and everything is also written over here which you can check out. What it claims truly lives up to the expectation. I mean, considering the formula, considering the amount, considering everything, I think it's really affordable, yet it works just as the concealers which cost around 500-600. I think this product lives up to their expectation. One thing I was not happy about was shade range. All the concealers usually will match my skin tone or one shade light or darker to my skin tone. Given the point, if you are having really fair skin tone or much deeper, it will not suit you at all. For that you have to check other concealers. I think they should increase their shade range because every woman of color should apply this. All the cons that I would come up was the price range, because I'm not sure about the actual price as have not gone to the market to check that what is the actual price. And second is the shade range. Apart from that, even high-end concealers also oxidizes, so it's not something to be really considered about. It will oxidize somewhat little when you will blend it out, but apart from that, I don't think so there is any other con. All of them are pros, still being real slightly higher than what expected. It's still a drugstore concealer, which is really good, really affordable. Second, the application is really smooth. Third, the packaging is great. Fourth, it applies beautifully, sets beautifully, and will give you the performance of any high-end concealer. Out of 10, I would rank it as 7. You guys should go ahead and try it out. So my shade for highlighting was 02 Sand Sable, which suited me, and exact skin tone shade was 03 for reference. So that's it for today's short review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment down below if you want me to review any other product or any questions you have regarding the concealer, so I will answer it for you. That's all for today. Bye.